Hey guys, it's Trevin with Solheim Technologies. In this video, I'm going to explain how to make a global row, module, or section. So to get started, we are going to start with this button, and we're going to make this button global across all of our pages footers. So to get started, we're going to enable the Visual Builder. So after you enable the Visual Builder, we're going to head down here to this button, and we want to make this module or row show up on the bottom of all of our pages. So to do that, we are going to put the circle and save row to the library, and then you're going to give it a name. So my name is going to be Start a Project. And then you're going to scroll down here and then press Save as Global. So this is telling WordPress that you're going to want to put this on other pages. You're going to go ahead and press Save. So after this is saved and is set to global, we are going to go to our next page. So we're going to add a new page here. And this can be added to a new page, or this can be added to a already existing page. For this example, we're going to do a brand new page. Alrighty, so we're at this section where it wants us to insert a new row or add from library. So we're going to add it from library. And then we will put this Start a Project in there that we just saved, and we'll press Use this row. So now this is a global button that is now on a separate page. The main reason you're going to want to make a row, module, or section global is so that when you make a change to one box, it's making it to all of the other ones as well, which is what makes it global. So this makes it a lot easier if you have the same button on the bottom of every page or the same module on every page, and you're going to want to make changes. This will make a change to every module or row that you do it on, so you don't have to go to each individual module and make that change. So I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little video on how to make a module or row global. This makes it a lot easier to make changes. So if you guys have any questions, drop them down in the comments below. And if you guys like these tech videos, then go ahead and press subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.